Hello there, this is James, your Director of Product Support here at Cliently, and in this video we'll be discussing the Cliently Find Leads feature. So found on here at faq.cliently.com, we do a quick search for Find Leads, or down in the bottom of the description of this video, be able to find the link as well, and we'll go through and have some information, we'll go through and talk about how we could use this. So what are Cliently Find Leads? Cliently Find Leads section is used to find new leads using Cliently Global Searchable Database with 50 million plus records that we have, and we can add them into My Clients and start communicating with Cliently flows. To accept leads, the use of Cliently credits. So in order to accept those leads, you need to have Cliently credits that cost 0.60 credits each. And of course, we'll have all different sorts of options that we have available for that. So let's go through that together. So here we are inside of Cliently. We're going to find leads here on the left-hand side, and they have all these different filter options. We'll go through each one of these specifically. So first is the Find Leads option, and if you check that, this is only going to bring up your leads that has the individual phone number associated with that individual contact. So that is something that you're looking for. You always want to make sure that you use direct phone only. Next, for company name, person's name, and job title, these are open-ended Boolean searches. So you can just type in a specific search keyword, for example, like Cliently, or you can also use quotes to put them into a specific set of words as well. So for example, we want to do directors only. We just put in director inside of quotes, hit enter, and this in turn is only going to bring up individual directors like that. Below that, we also have company and company revenue and company size. That you could use a slider bar in order to search for specific type of filtering options for that by choosing left and choosing right. For example, here's 1 million to 10 million, and that, of course, those filter would show up here in the top and also give you a great number of listings as well. And down at the bottom here, you also have your individual pages for the number of contacts that you can insert and go through as well. Below that, we also have location, and for location, we have different options here. And I'm going to go ahead and type the word for San Francisco, hit enter there. And with that, we have 4 options. We could use company at the selected location, person at the selected location. We could also use either person or company HQ at the location. And we also have a great feature here called person, both person and company HQ at the location. And with this option, everybody, we always want to make sure that we're only searching for one location at a time in order to provide you all those individual contacts. So all great ways in order to search inside of the Cliently database. We keep on going down here. Next is we have options for industries. We can break it down into categories or subcategories of industries that you want to include within your filters. We could also do that with different job roles as well, which is fantastic. We also have seniority options of how you want to search for specific people. And of course, we have NAICS N6 codes as well if you're interested in running those types of searches. So I'm going to do a quick search here for the name of Cliently, our company, and pop that up in here, and this is going to all the contacts are going to show up. Now with this, everybody, we also have you or give you the ability in order to save your find lead searches so you don't have to manually fill this information every single time. So once you have some individual filters that you use, what you want to do here is click on Save New. You're going to go and give it a name of the search, so Cliently company only. And be sure to name your saved searches so you know what they are or your team members know what they are. And all you have to do here is click on Save, and then you're going to get a lead source saved message here. Click OK to that. In the upper left-hand upside here, here's going to show you all those individual ones that you have. Well, it looks like I misspelled only incorrectly, so I can click on this guy right here, and then I can go into this gear icon, and in turn here I can modify the name of my saved search if I want to do that. I also have the ability in order to copy those sources, especially if you want to do the same type of a filters, but maybe change it up for individual locations. You can certainly copy that, modify that, and of course we also have the ability to delete sources as well. And just remember that if you delete that source, we do not have a way to restore that, so just be careful when you're deleting those individuals out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and do another quick search for Cliently here. But once you have your individual list of leads that will be displayed here, all this information here on the left-hand side is all about the company information. So this is just another great way for you to go out and vet the individual company if you want to do that. That's going to give you, of course, the company name, the website, their location, their revenue, and the number of employees. And, of course, over here on the right-hand side as well, this is all about the user information. So their job title, where they're located, their email address if they have one, of course, and if they have those individual telephone numbers as well. Now, in order to accept leads, and remember, when you're accepting leads, it's 0.60 credits, and this is going to be this orange bubble right up here that can let you know. So if you have any questions about your credits, please be sure to reach out to us. But what you want to do here is go ahead and click on the plus here, or the check mark here, to accept the individual lead, and you're going to have two options here, add to flow or add to pipeline. And basically is that add to flow is that if you have your already created flows, you can automatically associate them straight to an individual flow or campaign that you created in the past. Or if you want, you can also simply add to individual pipeline just as well, and go through to process that information out. If it accepted a valid lead, because we also do a double check on that, and if that lead is good to go, your credits will be reduced, and in turn it will show up inside of My Clients. Then also down here at the bottom, we also have rejected option right here. That meaning is that if you go through this process and you realize that, hey, some of these leads are simply not going to work out for you, you can simply reject those leads as well. And at any time, you can open up rejected and go through and review all the rejected leads that you have as well. So this is the Cliently Find Leads piece that we have available inside of Cliently for you in order to purchase leads through our system, add them to your account, and in turn start marketing and campaigning towards with your Cliently flows. And as always, if you have any additional questions or concerns about how to use this feature, please reach out to us, and we'll do our very best to take care of each and every one of you. We thank you so much, and y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.